Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Shandel and I am going to be your tourist guide in Ecuador. Before you visit Ecuador, you have to know some important aspects of my country. These aspects will help you to don't have a culture shock. First, and one of the most important aspects is eating and drinking customs. Ecuador has a lot of traditional food that foreigners aren't used to eat in their countries. Ecuador has four regions: the coast, Andes, Amazon, and Galapagos Island. These regions have a lot of traditional food, and one of these dishes is guinea pig. In Ecuador, Azuay, Tungurahua, Cotopaxi, and Chimborazo are cities where you can find this emblematic dish. At the past, guinea pig was an essential part as an offering of the festivals of the forays. Since this moment, with this animal, in Ecuador, many dishes are prepared. For that reason, visitors in Ecuador could feel anxiety and confusion when someone eats this food or gives them to eat. Another common dish in Ecuador is hornado. This is baked pork, but the way of how people prepare and sell this food is the traditional part. Here is a picture as Ecuadorians sell this food, and you have to be prepared to see that, and if you want, try it. In Quito's town, you are going to find people in little cars cooking guts, and it's called tripa mishki. Tripa mishki, there are guts, cow guts and pork guts, and also if you want, you can try it like that. There are some pictures of traditional food in Ecuador. Here is encebollado, here is fritada, here is chapingacho, and finally here is ceviche. There are delicious traditional food that you can find in Ecuador, and if you want, you can try it too. For another hand, Ecuador has a lot of holidays and traditions that mostly of them originate from the Catholic religious calendar. However, these holidays have blended with indigenous traditions. Other major holidays celebrated in Ecuador's independence with national celebrations and regional festivals and parades. Now I am going to talk about Easter week. Easter week is the period from Easter Sunday through Saturday following, and it follows a Holy Week. In this holiday, a lot of participants used to wear purple plated hoods like that, which are traditionally worn as a sign of penitence. And also in this celebration, someone represent that Jesus died like that. And visitors can feel a little disorienting looking at that. Another holiday in Ecuador is Carnival, and it could cause fear to the visitors because in many countries of Ecuador it is a little aggressive. For example, in Guaranda, people used to play with a lot of water, with eggs, with flour, with aniline, and a lot of things, whatever they want. There, people don't respect people who don't want to play it, and visitors could have a culture shock. So, if you don't like it, you don't have to travel on these days. About public transportation, if you are going to use that, you have to know that public transportation in Ecuador is not the best. Buses in Ecovia are always full of people, like that. The smell isn't well, it don't have ventilation, and you have to be careful because sometimes you can be robbed. Finally, in Ecuador, drivers don't respect walkers. In the corners, drivers don't stop if someone is crossing the street, like in other countries. For that reason, visitors can feel disappointment of visit Ecuador. And these are some important aspects about Ecuador that people and visitors you should know. However, Ecuador has an incredible gastronomy, nice and kind people, and beautiful traditions. Goodbye.